Today on the podcast, I talk about one of the worst, ickiest, yuckiest words that you can say to yourself, and I give you a really cool word to replace it with. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. My name is Kevin McKellar, the host of Upgrade My Rituals, and I am excited I think this is going to be a real good nugget today. I think something I've been seeing lately, and actually within my inner circle, I'm going to leave it at that, has been the word that's been thrown around, and it's a word that just completely drains our power of our accountability, of our possibility, of the potential that we all carry with us. And I'm going to let you in on that word. And I'm also going to give you a way you can actually replace it. The word is, this oh so terrible word, is but. Not the one with the two T, the but, like but. Yeah, but. It usually is followed with a yeah, right? Hey, why don't you try this? Yeah, but really, really bad, because the second word, if not the first word, completely stops you from trying anything new or making any progress on whatever you want to make progress on. One of my big examples I always go back to right away is talking about weight loss. It's a problem that many Americans face. It's weight gain is a problem for me. I'm always trying to put on a little bit more size, and it's very, very challenging. So the transformation of our bodies in one way or the other is something I think all of us is to an extent healthy to look at. So I want to go to the gym more. I want to eat better. Well, I don't have time. I'm sorry, I don't have time. Oh, okay, no, of course you don't have time after work. You have your kids, you have to make dinner, you have to clean the house, you have to write those reports. How about before work? Yeah, but you're done. It's over. You haven't even given the shot. So here's my quick solution, my quick tip solution for you. Instead of saying but, what we're going to replace that word with is how about, or if you really want to combine it into one, how about. It's two different words, but how about. So what's going to happen now is someone, or even internally, you're going to talk to yourself and you're going to say, yeah, I really want to do X, but I don't have time. Yeah, well, I could do it in the morning. Yeah, but. So now that same conversation goes like this. I really want to lose some weight. I just don't have time. Well, maybe if I did it in the morning. How about waking up half an hour earlier? Then I would have time. It's magic. You see where the how about all of a sudden stopped you in your tracks from saying but and cutting yourself off from any possibility. You inserted with another option. Now, it's probably going to take a lot longer because we're all in habits. If we use the word but, we have created a really bad habit. Yeah, but it's not mine. Right? So it may take time. It also may take a nice solid pause for you to actually think and catch yourself. And if you catch it in the moment, fantastic. But then you have to say, how about, and even if nothing comes out, even if there's no option for you, still start the sentence off with how about, because now it puts you on this side of the road versus this side of the road. And it says, okay, we're going to go in the right direction versus the wrong direction. I really hope this little quick tip has helped you today. It's a process. Definitely, if you catch yourself saying but, you probably are going to catch yourself doing it a lot more because it's been probably ingrained in you. And that's okay. It's a process. So I hope this helped. Let me know if it's helping in the comments. If you're watching this on YouTube, let me know if you've tried it, or even if you've heard of this. Don't say the word "but" if you heard that before. If you've actually taken action on it and tried to replace it with something or stop saying it in its entirety. And if you're listening on iTunes or wherever you listen to your podcast, please subscribe and leave me a review. I would love that. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you next time on the Upgrade My Rituals podcast.